How to get unlimited lives on Candy Crush. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can actually get unlimited lives on the Candy Crush game, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if I open up Candy Crush, you can see that I'm basically out of my life and I have to wait until 21 minutes until I refill my next life. So there are basically 5 lives in total on Candy Crush. So if I want to get the full lives, currently you can see it's set to 0, right? Next life will actually mature in 20 minutes. So what I need to do is I just need to actually go ahead and increase the time on my phone. So I will just go ahead and open up settings. Once you open settings, what you want to do is you just want to go to the option called general management and then just tap on it. And as you go to general management, over here you'll find this option called date and time. So just make sure to tap on date and time. Once you tap on date and time, over here you can just turn off automatic date and time, and then here you can see date. Now you can simply only change the time to, let's say, maybe even hours away from now. And once I do that, I'll just tap on done. Once I tap on done, now I'll just exit out of it. Now I'll just go ahead and then actually open the Candy Crush game again. So let me just go ahead and then open Candy Crush again. Now this time, after I refill it and after I change my time, you'll be able to notice that I have basically got full life on my Candy Crush game. So I'll just tap on play button here, and now you can see I have got full life, which is at the very top of the screen. And this is how you can actually get unlimited life. If you run out of lives again, you can repeat the same process. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you in the next video.